In this video, we can talk about top 5 ContentBot alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives channel. If you're on the lookout for alternatives to ContentBot, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 alternatives to ContentBot, including Writersonic, Jasper, CopyAI, Rytr, and ProWritingAid to help take your content creation abilities to the next level. Let's start with Writersonic. Writersonic is an AI-powered that offers a wide range of writing tools to assist you in creating high-quality content effortlessly. It offers great features like Story Generator, Article Summarizer, Text Expander, and Surfer SEO integration. From blog post generation to copywriting assistance, Writersonic can be your go-to tool for various writing tasks. One of the standout features of Writersonic is its advanced algorithms with which it can generate content that matches your desired tone, style, and word count. Next up, we have Jasper AI. Jasper is an innovative AI writing platform whose advanced language model can understand context and generate coherent and natural-sounding text. It offers features like Chrome extension, SEO-optimized content, brand voice and memory, and real-time updates. Whether you need assistance with blog posts, social media content, or even writing code snippets, Jasper has got you covered. One of the standout features of Jasper is that it lets you experiment with different writing styles and customize the output according to your specific requirements. Moving on to CopyAI. CopyAI is a powerful copywriting tool designed to help you create compelling and persuasive content. It offers features like AI writing templates, AI writing generators, tone checker, and sentence formatting. Whether you're crafting sales copies, marketing emails, or engaging social media posts, CopyAI offers a range of templates tailored for different purposes. And one of the standout features of CopyAI is its ability to generate persuasive copy once you give your product or service details. Our fourth alternative is Rytr. Rytr is an AI writing tool that aims to simplify the content creation process and offers various writing modes to cater to different needs. It offers features like SEO Analyzer, text editing, and video channel descriptions. It's an excellent tool for freelancers, marketers, and entrepreneurs who want to streamline their writing tasks and produce high-quality content efficiently. And one of the standout features of Rytr is its ability to instantly generate text based on your prompts or outlines. Last but not least, we have ProWritingAid. ProWritingAid is a comprehensive writing enhancement tool that helps you polish your writing skills and produce error-free content. It offers features like data visualization, contextual guidance, grammar check, and plagiarism detection. Whether you're a professional writer or a student who wants to improve your writing, ProWritingAid can be an invaluable tool. One of its standout features is its ability to provide a detailed analysis of your writing and help you refine your style. When compared to ContentBot, Writersonic offers a wide range of content generation capabilities with customizable templates and a focus on consistency. Jasper, on the other hand, simplifies content creation with its intuitive interface and collaborative features, making it easy to produce engaging and unique content. CopyAI specializes in persuasive copywriting, leveraging successful marketing campaigns and AI algorithms to drive conversions. Then comes Rytr, that excels in generating high-quality content across various formats, making it suitable for diverse content needs. Lastly, you have ProWritingAid that focuses on improving writing skills and providing comprehensive writing assistance, ensuring error-free and impactful content. Considering the alternatives mentioned, if you're seeking an all-in-one solution that combines powerful AI content generation with advanced writing assistance, we would recommend Writersonic as the best alternative besides ContentBot. With its versatile features and emphasis on consistency, Writersonic can meet your content creation needs effectively. We hope this video has shed light on the various ContentBot alternatives available to you. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.